Hey guys, today I'll show you how to record expenses in Zoho Books. Tracking your business expenses helps keep your accounts accurate and makes financial reporting much easier. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Zoho Books account. From the left-hand menu, click Purchases, then select Expenses. Next, click the plus New button to create a new expense. Now, enter the expense details. Select the Paid Through account, choose the expense category, enter the amount, and set the expense date. If the expense was paid to a vendor, you can also select the vendor from the list. You can even attach a receipt or invoice by clicking the Upload Attachment option. Once you've entered all the required information, review the details and click Save. Your expense will now be recorded and automatically included in your financial reports, helping you keep track of your business spending. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe for more Zoho Books tutorials.